MaxHappy.
My home is like 14 years old. I bought it like 2 years ago, and the bath really needed to be updated. I'm 73 years old, and when I go to get out the tub, it didn't have where I could grab onto the left or the left and the right of the tub to get out. I was so impressed with the one-day service, with taking all of the stuff out that was in there and put me a new bathroom in one day. All of my guests that's been here, they love it. I love it. The shower head, you can adjust it to different settings, and of course everybody, to even my grandsons, they like their own setting. Anybody I talk to, that they need to go with MaxHome, that they are the best from start to finish. I'm Carolyn, I'm MaxHappy.
MaxHome. MaxHappy.